This is a Cessna 182 Skylane, a proven light twin aircraft trusted by pilots worldwide. This aircraft is equipped with the BRS Aerospace Integrated Parachute Recovery System, a revolutionary safety innovation designed to save lives. This is the interior of the Cessna 182. Inside the cabin, the pilot maintains full command. Every system operates normally. The BRS rocket-propelled parachute module, model number T2319, is mounted in the tail section of the aircraft. The parachute module is compact, lightweight, and engineered for reliability. It weighs about 40 pounds. But what happens when the unexpected occurs? Engine failure, complete hydraulic loss, catastrophic structural damage, scenarios where the pilot loses partial or complete control of the aircraft. In these critical moments, seconds matter. The pilot needs options. The pilot needs hope. In these critical moments, the pilot can pull back on the emergency launch lever to activate the parachute module. The BRS Model T2319 parachute activates. Deployment occurs in less than 1 second. Once the parachute is deployed, the entire aircraft and everyone aboard is now suspended beneath the parachute. Descent is controlled, safe, survivable. This is integrated safety at BRS Aerospace. We don't just build parachute systems. We save lives.